Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to building the perfect gaming rig or a high-performance workstation, one often overlooked but crucial component is the computer case. A top-notch computer case not only serves as the aesthetic foundation of your setup, but also plays a pivotal role in ensuring optimal airflow, component compatibility, and ease of assembly. With an array of options available in the market, finding the best computer case can be a daunting task. That's why we've compiled a comprehensive list of the top 5 best computer cases that cater to various preferences and requirements. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a professional content creator, or simply someone who values a sleek and functional design, our selection has something for everyone. Join us as we delve into the world of computer cases, highlighting the standout features and benefits that make these contenders the cream of the crop in the ever-evolving landscape of PC hardware. Number 5. NZXT H9 Elite Computer Case. The first thing that catches your eye is the elegant, minimalistic design of the NZXT H9 Elite. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your components and perfectly complements the overall aesthetics. It's not overly flashy, making it suitable for a wide range of setups, from gaming rigs to professional workstations. The case's spacious interior and thoughtful layout make the installation process relatively straightforward. Cable management is a breeze, thanks to the ample routing options and discrete cable channels. However, the case could benefit from a few more cable tie points for even cleaner cable management. The H9 Elite boasts impressive compatibility. It accommodates ATX, microATX, and mini ITX motherboards, giving you the flexibility to choose the one that suits your needs. There's also ample room for high-end graphics cards and large CPU coolers. The fixed-color RGB support adds a touch of customization without being overwhelming. Number 4. LIAN PC011 Dynamic Computer Case. One of the standout features of the PC011 Dynamic is its sleek and minimalist design. The combination of tempered glass and aluminum alloy on the front panel gives it a premium and high-quality feel. It's available in both white and black, catering to different aesthetic preferences. The dual-chamber structure is a thoughtful design choice, allowing for efficient cable management and optimal airflow. The case feels solid and well-constructed, with a weight of 12 kilograms emphasizing its durability. The tempered glass panels add a touch of luxury, but they are prone to fingerprints and require regular cleaning. However, the overall build quality is impressive and the attention to detail is evident. The PC011 Dynamic is compatible with a wide range of motherboard sizes, from eATX down to mini ITX, making it versatile for various build configurations. The support for up to 6x 2.5 SSDs or a combination of 3x 2.5 SSDs and 3x 3.5 HDDs ensures ample storage options. Additionally, it accommodates graphics cards up to 420mm in length and CPU coolers up to 155mm in height, offering plenty of room for high-end components. Number 3. LIAN PC011 DXL Computer Case. The first thing that caught my eye was the sleek and sophisticated design of this case. The black-white color options provide a modern and elegant appearance that would complement any setup. The aluminum alloy construction feels sturdy and durable, making it evident that LIAN has paid attention to build quality. The 4.0mm tempered glass panels on the left side and front add a touch of premium quality to the case. The PC011 DXL is a full tower case, and it certainly lives up to the XL in its name. With dimensions of 471mm x 285mm x 513mm, this case offers ample space for even the most ambitious builds. It supports eATX, ATX, MATX, and ITX motherboards, and if you have an EB motherboard, you can purchase an extension panel. The GPU length of 446mm and CPU clearance of 167mm provide flexibility for high-end components. Cooling options are impressive, with support for up to 3 120mm fans on the side, one 120mm fan in the rear, and 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans on the base. This ensures excellent airflow, but I would have liked to see RGB support to add a bit more flair to the case. The inclusion of dust filters for the top, bottom, and side panels is a welcome addition to keep the internals clean. Number 2. PHANTEKS NV7 Computer Case. The NV7's design is a blend of elegance and functionality. Its steel and tempered glass construction not only looks premium, but also feels incredibly sturdy. The tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of the interior components, making it perfect for showcasing your hardware. The overall build quality is top-notch, and it exudes a sense of durability that instills confidence in your investment. One of the standout features of the NV7 is its generous interior space. With support for ATX, micro-UTs, mini-ITX, eATX, and SSI SEB form factors, there is ample room to accommodate a wide range of motherboard sizes and configurations. This versatility makes it a future-proof choice for PC builders. Cable management is a breeze, thanks to strategically placed routing holes and tie-down points, ensuring a clean and clutter-free interior. The NV7 has excellent airflow capabilities, with support for multiple fan and radiator configurations. It comes with three 140mm pre-installed fans at the front, and there's room for additional fans or liquid cooling radiators at the top and rear. The mesh front panel allows for efficient airflow, keeping your components cool even during demanding gaming sessions. Number 1. JONSBO TR03 Computer Case. The first thing that catches your eye about the TR03 is its elegant design. The combination of aluminum alloy and tempered glass gives it a premium look and feel. The brushed metal finish exudes sophistication, making it a suitable choice for those who want their PC to stand out. The side panel window is not just any window. It's tempered glass that showcases your components beautifully. The case also has a good weight to it, making it feel sturdy and durable. This mid-tower case has plenty of room for your components. It can accommodate ATX and micro-UTs motherboards, and the maximum GPU length of 320mm and CPU cooler height of 175mm should satisfy most gamers and enthusiasts. The spacious interior allows for excellent cable management, and there's even room for a 360mm radiator if you're into liquid cooling. With 7 expansion slots and support for ATX power supplies up to 180mm in length, you won't run out of space or compatibility options. Building inside the TR03 was a breeze for the most part. The ample space and strategically placed cable routing holes made it easy to keep the interior neat and tidy. However, it would have been even better if JONSBO had included some pre-installed standoffs for the motherboard. The absence of pre-installed fans may be a drawback for some, but it provides flexibility for users who want to choose their preferred cooling solution. Thanks for watching this video.